Hello iPhone enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll demystify the art of scheduling text messages on your iPhone. Whether you want to send a reminder, birthday wishes, or just surprise someone, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shortcuts app. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the automation icon at the bottom. Step 2. Create a new automation. If you don't currently have any automations, tap New Automation in the middle. Choose your text message reminder. For example, select time of day. Step 3. Set schedule. Choose a specific time to send the text, e.g. sunrise, sunset, or custom time. Decide whether you want the text to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. Toggle run after confirmation if you want to receive a confirmation prompt before sending. Step 4. Compose your message. Tap Send Message. In the message box, enter your auto text. Choose your recipient. Step 5. Save and test. Tap Done to save your scheduled text. Find it in your Automations tab. To remove an automation, swipe left and tap Remove. Setting a timer to send this text will help you save a lot of time. It helps you not to remember and it will automatically send to the recipient. Wishing you an effective way to organize your work. Thanks for watching.